how to change store name in TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to change our store name. And to do that, simply go towards your settings over here. And as you can see under our settings, we are able to see information such as our account and shop. So let's select our shop information over here. In this page, as you can see, this is where we will be able to see our shop logo, shop name, code, and so on and so forth. And we're going to click on the shop name. And over here, if we enter a different shop name and click on submit, we will then be able to modify or change our store name in TikTok Shop. So let's say Caesar over here. If you click on submit, as you can see, it will be under review. And if it passes the review, we will be able to successfully change our name. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.